What's up, everyone? Marc Lobliner, CEO, MTS Nutrition, Chief Marketing Officer, tigerfitness.com. Listen, y'all. So I post a lot of training videos. And a lot of these videos, I go really hard. Now, I've been training for a long time. The other day, I posted a video of me doing an RDL with 405 pounds, the most I've ever done on an RDL. It was insane. I impressed myself. Now, there's a level of intensity that one can only get to after years and years of training. Dorian Yates even said that his training style probably isn't the best for beginners. What Dorian Yates' training style is it's training one set beyond failure. It's the ability to tap in to a level of intensity that most people can't tap into. So what's crazy is when I post it on my YouTube shorts, or on Instagram or whatever, not really Instagram, more YouTube shorts. YouTube does bring out more haters than any other platform, is that people will say, oh, grunting and screaming, you're stupid, you're this, you're that. And I wanted to kind of explain why I make noise when I train. Now, obviously, if I'm going to Planet Fitness, which I am a member of for when I travel, I don't train there when I'm at home. I don't go in and I don't grunt. I hold it back as much as possible, but that does affect the quality of my workouts. When I am going intense, when I am going heavy, if you've ever seen any kind of movie, let's say a hero lifts a car, he's going to be like, screaming, right? When you see even Marvel comics, the Hulk picks up the Hulk smash. When you watch a training video of Dorian, when you watch Blood and Guts, Dorian is making noise, going hard. When you see training videos of even bodybuilders who go lighter, who go for the squeeze, they are squeezing so hard that they are going to make noise. When you are exerting, when you are providing such force that you're tapping into your reserve strength. So there's levels of strength, right? You got 100%, but it's been shown that your body, it's the phenomenon. You ever hear those stories about dads lifting up cars to save their children? You ever hear those stories about moms literally lifting up rocks to save their child? We do not go 100% like that. We cannot tap into that because we would get injured. The risk of injury is too high. So your body has kind of a, what I would call a regulator where you're not going to go that hard to avoid injuring yourself. It makes sense, doesn't it? So once you get into that level where you can mentally tap into not all of it, but where you can go above capacity, you could push to the next level. And that's where I was at on those RDLs. There's no way I could have lifted that quietly. There's no way I would have gotten that if I was just like at Planet Fitness. I had to be at a real gym like Carbon Culture in Franklin, Tennessee, Carbon Performance, or Iron Addicts in Signal Hill, California, or Tiger Fitness Gym in Ohio, Loveland, Ohio. I have to be at a gym where the atmosphere is right, where I can make noise, where I can get in there and I can tap into that part of me. Now, I'm not saying that someone should put 135 pounds on the bench press bar and just grunt. And keep in mind, I did not make any noise on my lead-up sets. But when one is truly expending energy, when one is truly maximizing their power output, there will be noise. I wasn't trying to impress anyone. In fact, the only people in the gym at that time were my wife and my training partner, Felix. That was it. Courtney was there as well with a client. Wasn't trying to impress anybody. In fact, if I'm going hard and I'm training in my garage or my home gym, I literally had a separate garage built when my house was built that I made into a home gym. But I mean, technically, it would have been a garage, floor plans, whatever. At the end of the day, you will hear me grunting. My wife has even come down, been like, "Yeah, I'm like, no, I'm just getting into it." So it's not douchery. Like douchebaggery is when you're at the gym, you're flexing in the mirror, you're making a complete douchebag of yourself, and you're trying to become a spectacle. I don't really care. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm a 41-year-old soccer dad. I'm a second tier IFBB pro, competing my first pro show whenever, right? I have no delusions of grandeur. I have no intention on bringing any more attention to myself, but I do want to build the biggest, best physique I can build. And to do that, you really need to tap into that internal force. You need to tap into that zone that a lot of people can't tap into. And that's what I do. Now, full disclosure, you're about to be pimped, but that workout, I did take my Clash 3D and I was in the zone. But anyway, that I had to drop that in there. Apologize. But anyway, that's pretty much what I want to get at. There's nothing wrong with making noise in the gym when you're exerting yourself. The guy who does 20-pound curls and is rah, rah, okay, that's a douchebag. But if someone's hitting a PR, they're probably going to make some noise. And if they're not, they probably can make some noise. And for a lot of people, that'll help lift more weight. Okay? At least for me. I can't sit there and be quiet. I'm not going to make, there's a metaphor I can make pertaining to procreation that I will not make, but use your imagination. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell. I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully that explains why I make noise during training. I'm Marc Lobliner. That's not a game. I used to have to go through dozens of bottles of vitamins, of supplements, just to get what I need. Look, I'm busy. I'm running multiple businesses. I'm coaching. I'm a professional bodybuilder getting ready for my first pro show. I don't have time to sit there and do all that. I gotta go. I'm on the go all the time. That is why I created MTS Nutrition Immortal. Here's how they look. This replaces dozens of bottles of supplements. So let me tell you exactly what this has. It has probiotics, greens, liver detox, joint support, cardiovascular support, and the most complete multivitamin, multi-mineral supplement ever created. If you have a busy life or you simply want more time to do the things you love and be able to travel by just taking one simple little pack with you, Immortal's for you.